Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange. Today's tutorial is on motor starters, and the motor starters are typically used in most industrial products. Today we are going to refer to them for screen printing and also air compressors, because compressors are very important in our industry because we use a lot of air cylinders. So this is a typical Siemens motor starter with a overload section to it, and it's connected together. If you have too many amps, this will blow and turn on. Okay, so we are going to unscrew it right here and right here and right here and pull it out just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so often you will see it without the overload. So typically on these motor starters, when the coil is engaged, which is A1 to A2, and some of these are DC or AC coils. So when current is sent to A1 or an A2, this red button should pull in because it's drawing it in with electromagnetic forces. So you know it works. Okay. So if this is going in and out, typically this is okay. So how we test these is we turn off the power to the machine, and because we don't want to electrocute ourselves. So please test the fuses going into this motor starter first, and then we can do a continuity test. And I love my continuity test. It solves so many problems. So this could be used for a single phase to 3-phase motor. Okay, and the bigger they are, the more horsepower they can handle. So here we go. So we're going to do a continuity test. We're going to use a $10 continuity tester, and we'll go from lug A1 to A2, and that's good. So okay, so that's what that one works. We could even use one from the expensive Fluke. Okay, so we got continuity there. So okay, so sometimes these even get stuck and melted. What we were doing from A1 to A2, A just means armature, and so if the armature burns out, this button right here cannot pull in. Okay, and bring power from here to here, and this is where you hook up the motors. Okay, T1, T2, T3. So I took apart this other one right here to show you what it looks like, and you can purchase these coils separate from this, and then you don't have to rewire the whole thing. Often you could just look at it, it's burnt out. And basically what we did with the continuity test was test from here to here to make sure the wire isn't broken or burnt out. And usually there's a smell test. You can just smell it, it's burnt out. There is a spring, and often that is broken. And when that's broken, this has no chance of going up and down as well. So you could buy the whole thing, or you can just buy the coil sometimes. So on this side, there's a couple snaps on both sides. So yeah, and this is very typical to break on an air compressor. So you could also do you could also do 3-phase rotation tests if you slightly push in this. Like I just do little jabs, and you could see which way the motor is turning. And if it's turning the wrong way on an air compressor, it makes a terrible noise, especially a rotary screw. So I like to jab it a little bit and see which way it turns. And if it's wrong rotation, I'll swap the two leads and test it again. So this is a typical troubleshooting problems with these. And please subscribe to my videos, and go to screenprintexchange.com to post free classifieds for your screen printing equipment or other sign or t-shirt related equipment. Thank you. Bye.